Hi guys, in this session we will discuss about the folder structure of Angular. So I have created a new Angular project which is named test Angular by using the command ng-new. So this is the E2E folder which is used for end-to-end testing, and then node folder which contains all the packages of node modules you can find here, which you will going to use in your application by the time to time. Then this is the source folder. Inside of the source folder you can find app component, which is the root component of our application. If you open the app component, you can find the app routing module.ts, which is used for routing purpose in your Angular application. You can register your routes here in the constant routes. Then come to the app component.css. Here you can write your CSS code of your Angular application. Then come to the app component.html. You can write your HTML codes here, which will render into the in the web browser. Then this is app component.spec file. This is used for testing purpose. You can delete it. This will not harm our Angular application, so you can delete it. Then this is app component.ts file, which is the TypeScript file of our Angular application. So you can see this is the component decorator, which makes this normal class file into TypeScript Angular file. So you can declare this property. This is a title property which has value Amit. This is declared here when you are creating any Angular application. So this root component will by default come, and inside of the root component, this app component.ts, this file structure will remain same when you are creating any component. So this is all about the app component. So next, go to the asset folder. So here you can keep your image or text files. So this is environment folder, which is used to create environment variables. Next we come to the index.html. This is the entry point to our Angular application. When you run ng server command, then this codes will render in the web browser. Then this is the style.css file, which is used to declare global styles here. So then angular.json file, which contains all the configuration related to the current Angular project, like its version, and also many configuration details are here. And this is a brief introduction about the Angular folder structure. If you want more short videos like this, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.